Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani. Again, thank you so much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. So let's get started. As I mentioned to you guys in the video before this one that I was doing a DIY. Again, let me just update you guys on my channel. I have a lot of videos that I had pre-recorded and edited, but I was experiencing some trouble with my internet service, so I was not able to upload it at that time. So since I don't want to waste the footage, I'm going to go ahead and upload those videos. So if the content in the video does not make sense, like if you hear me say something like Labor Day this weekend, that's because it was recorded before Labor Day, but I couldn't get it uploaded because my internet service was down. Also, hopefully next week, Wednesday or Friday, I will be uploading my laundry room. I want to be consistent with my videos so you guys can look forward to seeing my video. I want to do a video every Monday and Wednesday, and if time permits, I may do it on Friday, but I don't want to commit to Friday. So again, definitely Wednesdays and Thursdays. So if you'd like to see those videos as soon as they upload, be sure to subscribe. Also, make sure you hit that bell, because that bell will notify you every time I upload a video. And also, if you see that I'm wearing like the same shirt, as I mentioned, I'm doing 2 videos in the same day, and not that I'm wearing the same outfit twice. Okay, so let's get started. I am going to do a DIY floor arrangement again. I really enjoyed doing the first one. I got some really good comments on that, so I figured I'd share another one with you guys. Okay, again, this is a Dollar Tree and a thrifted haul flower arrangement. So the first thing I want to start with is what you'll need. You'll need a box cutter. You'll also need a clipper or a cutter. I can't find mine, and I don't want to go out and buy one. So I have this old scissors that is tough enough to cut the wire, so I'm using the scissors. This is my floor arrangement. As you can see here, it came from the Dollar Tree, and it says cone flower echinacea. So I'm using this, as well as these decorative picks. They're actually glittered pumpkins. I'm sure you guys have seen this, because everybody has been hauling this. As well as you will need foam. I had some leftover foam from the first DIY, so I'm just using the leftover. So I won't ramble anymore. Let's go ahead and get started. So, oh, and one other thing, you're going to need a vase of your choice. This vase I actually thrifted from the Goodwill. It was $2.99. as you can see here, and I believe it probably came from the Target dollar spot, but they took the price out, so maybe it was maybe $5. But anyway, the day I purchased this, yellow was 30% off, so I ended up paying $2.09 for this. So I really like how it looks, so I will be using this vase. So the first thing you want to do again is always make sure that your foam is nice and firm inside your, this is not actually a vase, it's actually a tea light candle holder. It says it on the bottom. I don't know if you can see right here. So, but I'm going to be using it as a vase. Okay, so you want to put your foam in here, and then you want to cut your flowers. I'm going to go ahead and cut the price tag or whatever this is off. I will be speeding up the video right about here. This is really pretty. Okay, again, I'm going to start at the bottom and work my way around. Again, I will be fast forwarding the video because again, I don't want to bore you guys. Well guys, this concludes the end of my video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. As always guys, it gives me much pleasure to bring this kind of videos to you guys. Y'all be blessed. Have an awesome day, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye guys.